Today, I've got to tell you about one of the craziest pre-construction condo stories I've ever seen. The harsh reality of buying pre-construction condo. And this is a true story that happened right here in Oakville, Ontario, just outside of Toronto. Hi, my name is Diloshan, and welcome back to another episode of Real Estate Watch. So, back in 2020, 2021, people lined up to buy into a brand new Phase 1 condo project in Oakville, Ontario. Prices were sky high at the time, $1,100 per square foot. Buyers put down their 20% deposit and waited patiently and watched the building go up. Now, fast forward today. The building is almost ready to close, but here's the shocker. The developer has started advertising the exact same unit for only $675 per square foot. That's a whopping 40% drop compared to what the original buyers paid for. So this is not a discount. This is a massive reset in the pre-construction pricing. So imagine paying $1,100 per square foot, waiting 5 years, and then find out that people can now buy the same unit for hundreds of thousands of dollars less. And appraisals are going to come down low. Banks won't lend enough. They will only cover the appraised value. And some buyers could be on the hook for way more cash than they ever expected. So why did the developer do this? Well, they're desperate and they're trying to clear their remaining units. They need to raise money fast, and by slashing prices, they can move those unsold units. But in the process, they've completely destroyed the value of what their early buyers signed up for. So this is a perfect example of the risks of buying pre-construction in a downturn market. And it's something happening more often than people actually realize. It's not just in Oakville, but in markets across the GTA and beyond. So this doesn't affect just one building. Those lower prices become the new comparables for appraisers and buyers nearby, pulling down the values across the area. And what if you can't close? Well, walking away can mean losing all of your deposit and potentially being sued for the difference when the builder resells it at a lower price. It's brutal. And builders are not protecting early buyers' equity. Their job is simply to move inventory. So when the market shifts, they cut prices to sell. And early buyers get caught in the middle. And when one builder does it, others tend to follow suit. So what's the lesson here? Pre-construction condos can be high risk in a volatile market like the one we're in now. One developer's price cut can reset the entire neighborhood. So what would you do in this situation? Close and take the hit, or walk away and fight it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you're thinking about buying pre-construction, selling, or even trying to understand how these market shifts could affect you, send me an email at diloshan@realestatewatch.ca. And I'll walk you through your options and make sure that you're not left blindsided like the buyers in Oakville. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more real estate updates. And I'll see you in the next video.